Hello, we are Taikan. This is our CX700-2000 7-axis Five-simultaneous milling and turning machining center. Let's take a look at the internal structure. This machine has compound machining capabilities. The optional sub-spindle achieves 6-sided complete machining, featuring 4,000 revolution per minute turning speed, 12,000 revolution per minute milling speed, 240 degrees swing axis range. Dual spindle configuration enables high-performance milling, fixed axis incline surface machining, and a 5-axis simultaneous operation with 630 mm max turning diameter. It's ideal for aerospace components like aircraft landing gears. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us.